When it comes to designing the plumbing system for a warehouse in Marathahalli, Bangalore, SCONDESIGN India PVT LTD is the go-to company. With their expertise in plumbing design and extensive knowledge of local regulations and requirements, they are well equipped to handle any project in this area. The plumbing design for a warehouse is crucial to ensure efficient water supply and drainage throughout the facility. SCONDESIGN India PVT LTD understands the unique challenges that come with designing plumbing systems for warehouses. They take into consideration factors such as the size of the warehouse, the number of floors, and the specific needs of the tenants or occupants. By carefully analyzing these factors, they are able to create a customized plumbing design that meets all the necessary requirements. One of the key aspects of plumbing design for a warehouse in Marathahalli is ensuring proper water supply. SCONDESIGN India PVT Ltd ensures that there are sufficient water outlets and fixtures strategically placed throughout the warehouse to accommodate the needs of its occupants. They also consider factors such as water pressure and flow rate to ensure optimal performance. Another important aspect of plumbing design for a warehouse is drainage. SCONDESIGN India PVT Ltd ensures that the drainage system is designed to efficiently remove wastewater from the facility. SCONDESIGN India Private Limited specializes in providing professional plumbing design services for warehouses in Marathahalli, Bangalore. Marathahalli, with its growing industrial and commercial sector, has witnessed a surge in the construction of warehouses to cater to the increasing storage demands of businesses. Our team of experienced plumbing designers understands the unique requirements of warehouses and provides customized solutions to ensure efficient and reliable plumbing systems. When designing plumbing systems for warehouses in Marathahalli, we take into consideration factors such as the size of the warehouse, the number of occupants, and the specific needs of the business. Our goal is to design a system that meets all plumbing requirements while optimizing water usage and minimizing energy consumption. We begin the plumbing design process by conducting a thorough analysis of the warehouse layout and plumbing needs. This includes assessing the water supply requirements, drainage systems, and wastewater management. We also consider factors such as fire protection systems, water storage capacity, and water pressure requirements. Our team utilizes advanced software and tools to create detailed plumbing designs that adhere to industry standards and local building codes. We ensure that the plumbing system is efficient, reliable, and cost-effective. We also prioritize sustainability by incorporating water-efficient fixtures and implementing rainwater harvesting systems wherever possible.